Hello, friends, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Nice to see you all back. We were discussing about subjects under hotel owners, and then the second topic was hotel consultants. Under the topic hotel owners, we discussed various types of hotel owners. We discussed around 8 different types of hotel owners, and under hotel consultants, we discussed about various expertise which come from them, the jobs, what they do. They were around 8 to 9 topics under that. So 2 important topics we have completed. Today is a fantastic day. We are starting with the initial investigation. The subject is initial investigation for hotel projects. Before we get into the subtopic, which is feasibility, let me introduce myself once again. I am Sailesh Fulsunge, father of a super boy, a hotelier with 32 years of experience, Amazon #1 best-selling author, a steward transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. Let us move ahead quickly with the topic feasibility, rather subtopic feasibility. The main topic would be initial investigation. So we will discuss about feasibility, which is a very important topic for any hotel project. What is feasibility now? Feasibility is a combination of multiple activities which we do even before we think of getting into any kind of hotel project or plans. It is a combination of concept development, market research, then all your techno-economic viability studies, which we say TEV studies. So all these factors go hand in hand, and you get a complete, feasibility study report. There are 2 types of feasibility studies majorly, which are combined. One is primary feasibility study, and the other one is secondary feasibility study. Now both these reports are important, and they capture various subtopics or various detailing is been done. It captures economics of the complete area or economical study. In short, you can say you talk about the competition which is around, in and around, probable competition. The competition mapping is done. The operating trends is also checked and worked out. The demand supply analysis. So the demand for that particular project is also done. So results are also seen on that. Actually, numbers are worked, then cash flows are made, and you get a complete bouquet of feasibility. So in this, your guest, the kind of guest which may patronize your property, the guest profiles, or what kind of banqueting orders you will get, what kind of room occupancy you will get, what kind of food should be served, what kind of menu should be designed, your F&B factors. There are so many things which are combined into it, and you get a proper feasibility report. The most important thing is that the feasibility also assists the hotel owners for their projects while they are looking for any kind of investments. So there is a feasibility type which we say it's a bankable feasibility, and the other one is just to understand the project standing or the project viability we do a non-bankable feasibility study. So bankable feasibility study is required for the owners when they get into any kind of debt raising for the project. So without any feasibility or a TEV study, bankers never lend. Over and above, they also want an operator who will operate the property. If the owner is not having the profile of hotel operations, or if he's not having the profile of a hotelier, then they will insist on a operators agreement as well. Signing off now. Let me know your feedback. I am trying to touch the maximum ground realities and putting it across the audience. Whoever is watching me on various social media platforms, try to share with the industry colleagues, with your friends, so that we are trying to learn together, share knowledge. Like, share, press the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. Become part of my viewership. I am going to come up with lot of micro topics which will help us learning together. And if any of the owners or any of the hoteliers who are intending to set up their hotels, I am available for initial free call of 15 minutes. Please put a message on this below, and I will contact you. Take care of yourself. Stay happy. Stay smiling. God bless everybody.